That took a long time. So here's your card back. You're suspended. Yeah, not taking you to jail. Let you drive off.
Everybody involved in what you're about to see miraculously got treated and released. The incident you're witnessing in very slow, frame-by-frame motion did not have to happen. There was no good reason to put human lives on the line for the implementation of traffic law. But a man in a uniform, Oklahoma State Trooper Jesse Gregory, did put human lives on the line. It was his decision. He made the choice. He even chose to put himself in a life-threatening situation. The individual who, for whatever reason, veered off the highway and struck this stationary vehicle also had his life jeopardized, all because of the decision of one man to exercise his authority to make the stop. And stops like this resulting in accidents are not rare. Notice in this news clip that the anchorman says that a similar type of crash happened just days before Trooper Jesse Gregory decided to create stationary objects on the side of the highway.
The Highway Patrol has released graphic new video of a traffic stop crash on I-40. It sent 3 people, including a trooper, to the hospital.
It's amazing. McIntyre Law Chopper 4 was over the scene last Thursday, just west of Yukon. The crash happened just days after a similar wreck along the same highway. News 4's Adria Goins joins us with the footage and an important warning for all of us who drive. Adria?
Hard to watch. Now you're seeing the point of impact here, the black SUV ramming this white SUV here. And this is Trooper Jesse Gregory right there, narrowly missed by that terrifying crash.
A routine traffic stop for Oklahoma Highway Patrol Trooper Jesse Gregory.
Yeah, not taking you to jail.
He was wrapping up a stop with this white SUV when out of nowhere, a driver slamming into the side of the parked SUV, sending Gregory flying. You can see him flipping backwards, tumbling through the grass along the side of Interstate 40. The white car mangled, the black SUV flipping down the road. In the video, you can hear Trooper Gregory calling for help.
362 City, I was just hit by a car. Start EMS.
I'm just glad he was able to get up and walk away.
I'm just glad the trooper, who was the reason for the stationary object that was struck by a speeding vehicle, was able to walk away. I am too, but what about the victim who was pulled over? What about the driver who rammed them? Now, I don't know why the driver veered to the side of the road. It could have been any number of reasons. They could have been distracted, texting and driving, could have been under the influence of drugs, or could have been drunk. They could have had a heart attack. It could have been a mechanical failure or a blown tire. The point is, all that would have happened had the stationary vehicles not been on the side of the road is that the black SUV would have veered off into the grass and maybe hit the trees in the distance.
I'm just glad he was able to get up and walk away.
Oklahoma Highway Patrol Trooper Preston Cox says Gregory's training likely saved his life.
If he was on the other side of that vehicle, I think the injuries sustained would have been much more significant.
The crash happened along I-40 near Cimarron Road. The speed limit in that area, 75 miles per hour.
So now you've got 75-mile-per-hour hunks of metal flying by you while you're sitting on the side of the road against your will. If you stay, you could get struck. If you leave, well, they'll hunt you down and possibly shoot you. But getting hit like this is rare, right?
2 weeks earlier, and less than 5 miles away, a Canadian county deputy and a driver both hurt in a similar crash.
The law states that you must either slow down. If you can't move over, you must slow down.
Law enforcement currently in a push to bring more awareness to distracted driving.
How about in addition to a push to bring more awareness to distracted driving, you stop putting people in this situation in the first place? Wouldn't that be the reasonable solution? People are hitting stationary objects that we've placed on the side of the road. Let's see, how do we eliminate this problem? How about stop creating stationary objects on the side of the road?
This crash still under investigation as OHP works to determine if it was distracted driving or some kind of impairment.
A lot of time it could be, a combination of both, or it could be one or the other.
Or it could be a mechanical failure or a medical event. It could be other things. But no matter what it is, more people could be saved if traffic law wasn't used to trample the constitutional traveling freedoms of Americans who aren't putting lives in danger.
Oh, remarkably, everyone involved, the trooper, those drivers, they were not seriously hurt. All three treated for minor injuries and released, and Trooper Gregory remains on leave.
No doubt Trooper Gregory, who literally was the cause of all of this, is enjoying a little paid vacation courtesy of the tax cattle. Leave your thoughts about this. Is it dangerous to sit on the side of a highway during a traffic stop? Could there be other options implemented? During a traffic stop, are your rights being upheld and protected? If you like these commentary videos, maybe you'll like some of my others. Subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to my email list at highimpactflix.com. Grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, stand for your rights and exercise your rights. If you don't exercise your rights and speak up, you're going to lose your rights. I'll see you in the next video.